Hey friends, if you wish to fix Amazon Prime Video black screen issue on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is do not record the screen because Amazon Prime does not permit that. It counts as copyright infringement. So you don't use a software like OBS to record the screen while you are playing Amazon Prime. The next one is don't use VPN because Amazon Prime Video has location specific content and it does not allow using VPN. The next solution is to update display drivers. Now, how would you update these drivers? Search for device manager and open the device manager and then expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and select update drivers. The next solution will be to check the display settings. Right click on the start button and select settings. Now go to the system tab, select display and then scroll down and make sure that the scale and display resolution both are at the recommended value. And why is this important? Because they can have different values, like the scale could be 100% for one computer and 150% for another computer. It depends. Make sure that it is at the recommended value, whatever the value is. If you change this, it will cause serious problems to the display, including the one mentioned. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.